It's roughly this size. Yep. We'll pop the drain off. Man, it's nice without all the shit in the front of this thing. It's almost as easy to work on as a Fairmont. You guys like that joke? And then what the hell is that? 10? 11? Where's my damn 11 at? I must have it on something. Here we go. It was on something, on an extension. Don't drop the fucking expensive Borg Warner copy nuts. Hang out there. Alright. It's loose. We're good on that. Should I pull? Yeah, I should pull these coolant lines if I can to get out of the way. Nah, the drain goes around them. Never mind, guys, I lied. And then, man, this pry bar has already, I would say, paid for itself, but what's his name bought them for me. This is incredible. Little pry bar. This thing is always a huge pain in my ass. It never wants to separate, and it like is really tightly spring loaded, and I totally struggle with it. Come on, Turbo. Fucking work with me here. Nah, I already smell like, this thing smelled so bad after the dyno, it just smelled like it was roached. And then now I'm smelling it again. I think a bunch of oil from the motor, smoking like hell, is in the turbo here. We'll see what's going on in a minute, hopefully. Come on, there it is. There's the drain and the turbo. Man, it smells cooked in here. The turbo doesn't smell cooked. It smells like the fucking motor. Yeah, there's just oil in there. There she goes. Wasn't bad. The nut, the bolt, whatever it is. Forward. Oh yeah, my wastegate lines are still attached. Yes, guys. Luckily I got my cutters over here. Hopefully I don't drop anything. Snip. Snippity doo dah. Alright, I'm gonna pull this hood off by myself. time to dig this thing out of here in a couple seconds. Just gotta hook the hoist up. Lift it up, let the cylinder fill. If you guys didn't know that trick, you're welcome. Okay, that's probably okay. Got my zip ties out. I zip tied the starter to the subframe. Keeps it right in place, all the battery cables connected, just zip tied right next to where it's gotta be. So when I gotta use it next, hook it up, it's right there. Alright, do I have enough chain height on this? Oh, perfect. Oh. Okay. Now I can take the motor mounts out. Have to hold this at a weird angle. Let's push this with the 15. Give it a little help. Here's the bolt, kids, ladies and gents. The other one's a 19. This one's a 14. Anybody that knows that has to deal with these clamshell, small block, Chevy style mounts, they're a pain in the ass. Because if you've ever used the Ford single bolt, you're like, oh, why does everyone else have such trouble? Man, this would take so long with it. There she goes, kids. Popped loose. Lay everything in this fucking crazy ass parts bin. This is my new favorite tool. By the way, these indexing pry bars that guy sent, these are incredible. Incredible. So many times where I have like tried to pry something and the back is hitting or something, you can just give yourself more or less angle. Oh, fucking exciting. Yep, it's tight. Here we go. Here comes the coolant. Alright. Am I up out of the... Oh, it's already split. I covered the back of those pins and the motor with the anti-seize because the last time or two it got stuck. Actually, the one side sticks and the other side doesn't. Yeah, this side doesn't come apart. It's a pain in the ass. Okay, let's take a look because this side's split already. Might have to jam the skinny ass screwdriver up in here. Oh, nope, pry bar. Pry bar did it. Here she goes. Swinging free. Happy and free. Magic little pry bar. Here comes the coolant. Fucking coolant bomb. Watch the wires, kids. Look at that, I've been shoving them right down the side of the engine bay. And then it looks like she'll come right up. Yep. Turbo, oil feed, not wrapped around anything. Gonna wrap around something. Stop falling. Here we go. So money. Oh. No. Oh well, right? That's what the cardboard and shit's for. Come on. You have to soak everything. Just piss all over it all. I don't mind. It's not like coolant's the most slippery, shitty thing ever. Oh man, that drip tray just fits in there too. Okay. 15. Where's my 15 at, boys? What am I doing? What's going on? Huh? Do it wrong twice, guys. Should have left this a little higher. Harbor Freight sells the air ram for this. It hooks up the shop air. It's like 90 bucks at the store now. Next time I go there, I want to get it. The other store didn't have it in stock, but they opened a new store now. Wow, that's incredible. Why do you squeak so much? Huh? Guys, do you see this tray? Why did I wait so long? so long to get this tray. You know what? The water pump's farther out on this side. So we rotate it. Let me get this guy over here. All right. All right, I'm just gonna put my hoist and stuff away and line this thing up.